think we're live. Let me just make sure. Yes, we are. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Ramon Escalera here. Today, what I want to do is share with you some phenomenal programs that I'm currently invested in, which these companies actually pay out. These are legitimate companies that Forex, crypto, whatever it is you're looking to get your hands in or on when it comes up to cryptocurrency or Forex, depending on what you like to do. Maybe you like to do both, dabble in a little bit of both, get an education in crypto as well as an education in Forex trading. There's a phenomenal program that just launched yesterday. I'm going to give you the hands-on on that one. It's called Copy Profit Success Global. I'm going to add the link in my description. Once you get to this link, this is the website I created. Again, you're going to be able to get access to all the websites that I'm speaking of. I'm going to add them right here on this actual chat box. So if you click on that link, it'll take you to this page here. And these are the programs I'm in. Copy Profit Success Global. This is the back office. This is what the program is about. It's about educating you on Forex trading to become a professional, to learn how to read the charts. Because I've been training with them, I was able to create this actual chart here, learning the different moves and predicting the future of cryptocurrency or where it's going. Now, the Forex trading education is not only for stock market. You can also take that training and add it if you like to dabble in cryptocurrency and like trading crypto. You can take that education and bring it here. And this is pretty much what I've come out with, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is, again, this has, not everything here you see was taught in the Forex trading. Obviously, the Forex trading just started yesterday. It just launched yesterday. There's an 18-day boot camp, which I encourage everyone that doesn't know how to trade, that has money in an exchange, and that wants to learn how to read a chart to get in that program. It's going to be very beneficial for you guys. You're going to learn from the very beginning the basics, how to start your account. If you don't know nothing about cryptocurrency, nothing whatsoever, you're going to want to click on that link, ladies and gentlemen. This is the actual, if you go to RamonEscalera.com, I actually have the domain forwarding right here. That is my name, first name, last name.com. You're going to actually get to this page. Watch this video. This video will explain everything about this program, okay? If you want to get on my newsletter, you fill out the information here in this box, or you can click, I want this right now, I want in right now. It'll take you to the homepage where you can register for this program for $1 trial. It's a 14-day $1 trial, ladies and gentlemen, right now that you can get into this program and start actually learning. We have 7 days here. The reason why there's not 18 days is because we haven't fully launched. I am on a trial basis right now. So once the trial is over, there will then become, the 18-day will then show up and I get the education on how to trade. Now, when you're done with this boot camp, you should know everything you need to know when you look at a chart, how to read it, where to look at moves, maneuvers, etc. That it's beneficial for you guys if you're trading online. You have any money in any exchange, you're going to want to learn this stuff. I've been dying to get my hands on this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. And there's companies out there that charge thousands and thousands of dollars to give you courses like this. And you're getting it here, $1 trial. After the dollar trial, you're going to get it for $145 a month, ladies and gentlemen. $145 a month. Don't look at it as an expense. Look at it as education. $145. If you refer people to this program and they actually buy the package, you can actually get it for free. So 3 people sign up, you get it for free. You get the idea. There's multi-tier levels of income in this program. So it's not just you making money trading. You don't have to refer anybody if you don't want to. That's the great thing. Let's say you don't want to recruit anybody. You don't want to ask nobody to sign up. You don't have to. Why? Because you'll be making money Once you get all the education you need from this platform and program, you take that education, you go out and you start trading on your own personal account, on your own exchange, and you'll see exactly what we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen. So not only do they give you the education and the training, listen, look up here, profile, contacts, links, tools, training, where you can earn money, the boot camp. This is the boot camp I'm on. I'm on day 3. I've actually watched the last 2 videos. I'm on day 3. I'm going to run through this bad boy like you wouldn't believe. I got my notepad here. I've been taking notes. This is something that I really looking forward to in the future. That way I don't have to work for anyone, anyone else. That is my goal anyway. I'm not saying it's going to be a success, that everybody's going to have a different type of education depending on how much you can absorb. So a lot of people have a lot more success than others, but that's okay as long as you're trying. Okay, so you got the boot camp. They also have signal analysis. They're going to send you signals. Like if they read something, let's say they have a great trade that's going to happen in next week or in the next couple of days, they'll shoot it out to you. You can get it right on your phone through text. And once you get that signal through text, you log into your Forex account and you apply the same numbers they give you there into the Forex account, and then you wait and see. And you can make extra money that way as well. So while you're educating, while you're learning how to actually use this platform, once you learn how to read charts, in the meantime, they're going to send you signals. You take these signals, you apply them in your own Forex account, and then you start earning, potentially start earning. No, there's no guarantee that every signal is going to work. But if you have a majority of winning signals, you're going to see a lot more success than you would with one big lump sum signal trading. You get the idea. Listen, he explains this in day 1. He explains this in day 2. The mentality, the behavior you need to have when trading. Okay? This is phenomenal. Patrick Kearney is his name. He's a phenomenal trader. He doesn't work for anyone. He works for himself. He's giving us this education. So is it worth it to pay the $145 monthly after the trial's over? Definitely. But here's the great thing. He's willing to give you 7 days of training for $1. So get in, get started, register. The link is in the description. Once you click on that link, Ramones Larita, it's going to take you here. Watch the video. Before you even register, watch the video. You're going to see exactly what I mean. You're going to be able to see the compensation plan that they have added to this program. You're going to see the education you're going to get, the events, the learning, the tools, everything you need. It's all in here, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to worry about sending autoresponder emails out. It's already integrated into the system. The company will send it out on your behalf. I actually looked in the program, looked at a couple of links. Now, they're still working on some kinks because it just launched yesterday. You know how that goes. There's going to be some little kinks here and there that they're going to fix in due time, you know, slowly but surely. And then all of a sudden, it's going to be cleaned out. Everything's going to be excellent from there forward. But you're going to be able to see your contacts, the links that you're providing, the tools, the training, the income that you're going to be earning once the trial is over. Once the trial is over, that's when people actually make that $145 payment. So remember that. There is a compensation plan added to this program. So let's say you get in and it's working for you. You're learning how to trade. You're making some decent money. You can make even more money depending on how much money you have in your Forex exchange. Let's say you're making some decent money and it's working for you. All you need to do is share it with others. They click on your link. They get the same education you have. They become a success. And in the meantime, you will earn commissions. There's like 3 or 4 different commissions, maybe 5 different commission bonuses that you can get from this program. Like the higher you get, the more money you make, etc. You get the idea. There's tools and pools, etc. of income. There's the matrix. And then you have your one-time payments that come your way when someone signs up. And you have the residual matrix money that comes to you every time someone in your downline enters. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to recruit these individuals. Let's just say someone falls down under you from someone else's recruiting efforts. You get paid from that. So they added that aspect to it too. So it's an additional bonus. Not only are you going to be learning how to trade and make money with your money, but you're going to be able to earn money by helping others get the education as well and reap additional rewards. So this is what I wanted to explain about. That is this program here, Copy Profit Success Global. These are the 3 programs that I'm promoting on my website. I'm putting my name out on these programs. So RamonEscalera.com, it'll take you to this page. Read the video, watch the video. If you're looking to sign up, click right here. I want this. I want in this right now. If you click this, it'll take you to the registration page. You log in, register, pay $1, get the trial, get the training. All right. First thing I need you to do is get into this training. It is very, very educational. I assure you, once you're done with this 18-day boot camp, it's only 7 days showing because it's free for right now. $1 trial. It's $1. And once the trial is over, then the $145 a month that you have to pay, you will have to pay. Once you pay that, you will then see the rest of the training, the 18-day boot camp, which you can learn in 18 days. You can take 1 video a day, 2 videos a day. It's entirely up to you. How much time do you have to spare? So once the 18-day boot camp is done, you should have enough education to go out and start trading on your own. And this is why it's beneficial, ladies and gentlemen. So you can start taking that $100 or $200 you have in your exchange and start flipping that to $200, $300, $400, $500. So technically, it can pay for itself just due to the education that you're receiving and the trading that you're doing. It can pay for itself with your profits. Okay, so think about that. That has nothing to do with the earning potential from referring or for selling the actual education package. If you sell the education package to others, you will then receive additional income stream. So this is why I jumped into this program. Not everybody's going to be able to afford the $145. And again, this is not for you. This is not for everyone, ladies and gentlemen. So keep that in mind. This is not for everyone. This is one of 3 programs that I am promoting, ladies and gentlemen, and I am sharing. So that's program number 1. The next program is Crypto Bit Club. Okay, what we're doing here is giving you live signals. Now, this is a one-time payment. As of right now, it's one-time payment using Ethereum. You take your Ethereum, you come into the program, watch this video. I explain everything in and out in this video. I review the program, show you where you're getting the trades, showing you how to apply these trades. Everything is here, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are on an exchange, Binance, BitMax, Bittrex, you're going to get signals sent your way with the one-time Ethereum payment. There is a commission-based referral program in it. It is binary. It is not residual, ladies and gentlemen, so keep that in mind. But if you make an additional income on signals, I'm going to show you exactly what these signals look like. And then I'm going to show you if you would have paid attention to the signals and you would apply the signals, you would have made money. So not only would you have come in with your Ethereum one-time payment, but you're going to start receiving signals every day sent to your phone where you can apply to your exchange and make even more money. So eventually, whatever you come out of pocket into the program will be paid for with the trading signals you're getting. Phenomenal programs, ladies and gentlemen. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean here. Look at this. I'm on target. You see what I'm saying? This is live, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. I actually did the math. This is my arrow. I put this all here. This is earlier today. As you can see, it's reaching the target. This is target number 1, 63.56. Once it reaches here, second target is here, third target is here, and so on. And it'll be a bounce back, but then it's going to go back up. This is BTC USD. I'm just looking at it. That's all. Okay, let me stop. All right, this is Steam. This is Binance. The signal that we receive, ladies and gentlemen, here's a signal. Here, CBC signal. MTL, Binance, Steam, Key. These are ones that were sent yesterday and today. This is today. Today it was MTL. I'm going to go with Steam because I don't know where MTL is. But here's Steam. Steam, BTC, Binance. Accumulate at this dip. Looks nice to accumulate from current rate. So targets are 24,800, 26,000, 28,000, 30,000, 31,000. And then a stop loss at 5 or 10%. Okay. Now Steam. So the target is 24.8, 26, 28. Now here's Steam here. Now remember, that was yesterday. What's today's signal? 7:13. That was today, ladies and gentlemen. So you look at the signal today, 7:13. If you would have gotten in when this signal came out, now this signal came out at approximately 12. That's 2 hours ago. So right around. Let's see here. Right around this area here. right around this area here. If you would look at the signal tells you to get in at a specific time. But look at this climb, ladies and gents. Look at this climb. Look at this climb. So get in on the signal when they gave you the signal, okay? You would have got on the signal. You would have seen the spike up right over here, okay? And then now it's going down a bit. It's got a little bit of support. So you're going to see in due time how this is going to affect you with the actual trading. You're going to see that the earning potential is there, ladies and gentlemen, with these trading with the trading signals, okay? So let's go with key. We're going to go find key. That was one that we gave yesterday. So we're going to go with key, and we're going to go with yesterday. All right, here we go. Key BTC. All right, let's see here. I'm just going to show you something. Key BTC Binance buying pressure is huge. Also holding the bottom support now. Accumulate key. Sell above 280, 300 Satoshi. Low risk, high reward. It doesn't really give you the signal here, but it's telling you to sell above 2,800 or 280 or 300. Low risk, high reward. Buying pressure is huge. Also holding the bottom support. So if you're already holding this coin, they're telling you to sell at 280, which is right up here, or 300. Okay, so now this is not a signal that's... These signals doesn't mean you're going to make money every single day. Like today, it could take a couple of days. Okay, but what they do is they read the chart, a weekly chart or 4-hour chart, and then tell you where it's heading due to news and the potential of maybe a lot of volume coming in. So a lot of that factors into what the signals you're receiving, ladies and gentlemen. So keep that in mind if you're looking at these signals. Here's another one, VEN. Let's go to VEN. VEN. All right, here we go. VEN. What's the signal on VEN? Buy between 336 and 339. So 336, which was yesterday. Yesterday's right here. Right here. 336 is right here. That's exactly 336. And then buy between 336 and 339. And here's 339 right here. Let's say yesterday you would have listened to this actual, you would have taken this actual trade, 336, 339, and waited on it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's say you bought it here. Okay, let's say you bought it here. And it pumped up this high. That's 352. So 336, 352, you would have already made some profit there if you would have sold. If you would have sat on a little bit longer, there is a stop loss that you're giving, and the stop loss is 310, okay? So if it would have went down to 310, you would sell. But obviously 310 is right way down here somewhere. Let's see here, 331. Well, 310 is down here some way lower than what you see here. That's the stop loss, just in case, you know, it doesn't go up. But as you can see, the candles looks like it's starting to even out here. Looks like it's on its way up again. The candle wick is even. It was showing a low on a close, but it looks like it's even 50-50. So it's a possible upswing coming for that trade as well. But these trades, ladies and gentlemen, so this is a long ETH trade. Leverage 10 to 20 times the money on BitMEX. The ETH trade, ETH trade is 67.70 and 69.80. So if you're on BitMEX, that's where you're going to apply that. I mean, a lot of these different signals are not just on one place. They're in a lot of different exchanges. Like I said, there was 4 exchanges that we give signals on. This is BQX. If we go to BQX here on Binance, BQX. The reason why I'm showing you this, ladies and gentlemen, is so you can see that the trades that you're giving, they're not losing. You know, they're right there. None of them show losing. A couple of them showed already that you already had made some money. Not a lot of money, but your 1-2% gains, possibly 3% gains. You're going to see over time, that's where you want to do. That's what you want to be at. But again, you can ride long if you put a stop limit, okay? So, or do the market price, stop limit. I mean, the education on this stuff, you got to get that. We don't trade on that. You have to learn that stuff. You can get that on a YouTube University, but you get that there. Here's BQX BTC. Buy at 200, 215. That was yesterday, Friday. This is Thursday at approximately 11:26 a.m. So let's see here. This is yesterday. This is about 11 right here. This is the signal, ladies and gentlemen. This is yesterday, which was 7:12. This is at 11 o'clock a.m. This is where they tell you to buy. We told you to buy here, okay? Between what was the price again? Buy by 200 to 215. So okay. So if you didn't buy here, they said 200 to 215. So we're gonna go down to right here. Here's 200. There's 200. And this 215 is right up here somewhere. If you would have bought at the 200 level, ladies and gentlemen, which is right approximately here. This is 200. And you would have bought this trade. Now, this was yesterday's call. You would have been in profit, ladies and gentlemen, because this is where it stands at 219. Even if you bought at 215, you would still have made money because it's at 219 right now, ladies and gentlemen. If you see that, you can see that right here, ladies and gentlemen. So you would have been earning just on this alone. Okay, so the money you can make from these trading signals will negate the payment coming out of pocket. Okay, that's CBC, Crypto Bit Club, ladies and gentlemen. This is a private. Watch the video, and once you're ready to get started, click on Let's Do This. Once you do so, it's going to take you to the registration page, and this is what the registration page looks like. Again, we're a private club, ladies and gentlemen, so you can register by clicking that button and become an actual registered member. Once you do so, you go in your back office. We do have Ethereum packages you can purchase. There is a referral-based commission binary. So depending on the level you come in with the Ethereum that you pay, Ethereum right now, the low is $30. You can come in for as low as $30 and get signals sent your way. Okay, but the higher Ethereum base you come in, the more money you're going to make, ladies and gentlemen. So keep that in mind. The more money you'll make if and where you share this program with others. So that's program number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Phenomenal programs here. Oh, this is my Capture Page program. I build my own websites. Obviously, you guys know. If you don't know that, you do know now. I own Platinum Lead System. There is 1 year. You can get the same exact program I use to build my websites, $39 for the year. $39 a year. You get unlimited website creation. I mean, phenomenal system. I haven't shared that, but I'm sharing it now. These are all websites that I created using my website creation programs. $39 for an entire year. That's a no-brainer, but I'm not even going to talk about that. The third and final program that I'm in now, currently, ladies and gentlemen, that I am promoting is Carrot Coin. This is a cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen, but the cryptocurrency is backed by gold. You can buy gold and save gold. So you're making money with crypto. You're making money with Forex, but you don't have a savings, okay? Possibly you might not have a savings. Or you do have a savings, but you're savings in money, dollar bills, 100,000, 10,000, 50,000, whatever you have in your bank account, it's in dollars. Dollars don't accumulate in bank accounts a lot of money. They don't accumulate. It's simple as that. Why? Because the dollar value is going down. The interest that you get is pennies on the dollar, not even on the dollar, pennies on the hundreds of dollars. You may have 8,000, 20,000 in the bank. You'll notice at the end of the month, you got interest of maybe 10 cents. It doesn't make any sense, ladies and gentlemen, to take your money and leave it in dollars, especially your savings. You take that money and turn it into gold. Not only do you turn it into gold, once you turn it into gold, you can take that gold and turn it into crypto. Or you keep the gold. Once you keep the gold, and since you bought the gold, you get a bonus in crypto. KBC, which is Carrot Bank Coin, they will send you coins into your own back office. You will have their own cryptocurrency, Carrot Bank Coins. Carrot Bank Coins is on the CoinMarketCap. And if you want to take a look at that, you can just go to CoinMarketCap right here and then just look up KBC and wait for it to propagate. It's a little laggy. It's still loading. I got it on night mode. It's just easier for me to see the numbers. Some of you probably prefer a different, but that's just mine. All right, here we go. It's starting to load up now. It's finishing up. Here we go. KBC. CoinMarketCap is really slow. I don't know why. I guess there's a lot of people on it. They might have to up their VPS server. But this is Carrot Bank Coin, ladies and gentlemen. It wasn't on CoinMarketCap. It literally just launched, so it has a lot of room for potential and growth. This actual coin here is backed by real 24 karat gold. Number one. Number two is it's backed by a bank inside of the United States in Miami that launched July 4th. It is July 13th. July 4th is when this actual coin launched. Let me refresh this page. Jesus. Come on, CoinMarketCap. What is going on? All right, you know what? Let's go here and here. I don't know if it's Google Chrome acting a fool. I don't know what it is exactly. Here's CoinMarketCap. See it loading up right now. I'm going to wait for it to load. Here we go. And then KBC. There it is. Carat Gold Coin. And here we are. And it's up 7.85%. Now, this coin is like I said, it just launched. So it literally just hit the market. Total supply, you can see, is 12 billion. Now, you're going to, once you create an account with Carat Bank Coin, you're saving gold, number one. You have a gold savings account. It comes to your home every single month. Or you could take that gold and buy gold if you have extra income and turn it into the cryptocurrency and watch it grow. Because the potential for you to get 7.85%, ladies and gentlemen, in a day, less than a day, hour, what is it? Hourly chart is a day. This is a daily chart. It's up 7.85% in a day. You won't even get that in a bank, ladies and gentlemen, in a month. In a month, you'll get 0.99% a bank will probably give you. Highest. If you would have taken that money, turned it into cryptocurrency, you would have made 7.85% on the day for that coin. Now, it can go down depending on the trading volatility, but you get the idea. Let's say you cashed out. Well, guess what? You got 7.85% gains on whatever funds you put in to Carat Gold Coin. So you get that. It's a lot more money, I believe, personally, in holding these coins than it is to sell them right now because it's at the beginning stages. I mean, I purchased a lot of these coins. I'm sitting on a lot of these coins and I'm holding them, ladies and gentlemen, because I know the value of these coins are going to go up once the market starts listening, hearing about the program. I think they actually might have sold out of Carat Gold Coin. They come out with another coin, but they have extra coins sitting in the bank for affiliates like us. We go in, we can take our gold and exchange it to Carat Gold Coin. So right now, the public, I don't think the public can buy it anymore. I just think that affiliates are the only ones that get access to this coin. They are going to be coming out with another coin, ladies and gentlemen. Believe it or not, that's news that I just heard today. But to make a long story short, this is where you want to be at the beginning stages of something like this. These type programs. Number one, a Forex education isn't cheap, especially when you're trying to trade real money, okay? Getting the education and learning the actual charts of where money is being made and being sold and how to read a chart. I mean, that is detrimental to the future of wealth for a lot of these rich people. That's what they do all day, every day. They don't work for nobody. They go on a computer. They look at the trades for the day. They determine where they're going to put their money, and then they watch it work. Why? Because they can read it like a book. Once you have that education, you start reading stuff like a book. It's fantastic. You can go ahead and put your trades in. You go back to work. Your trades are already in. You put them in for the night. You went to bed. You go to work tomorrow. Lo and behold, you might have earned income. It's called making money while you sleep. You put your trades in. You're sleeping. You're making money. It's a possibility. Or you can lose money. You know how trading goes. It can go either way. But if you're more educated, if your education is at a higher level and you know where the trade is going, then most likely you're going to succeed rather than fail. And this is the reason why these programs are beneficial. The education here, number one, also extra money for sharing and selling the actual education. You got your crypto gold savings account. You got your Carat Gold coins. And you got your crypto big club signal sent your way. And then you can watch your earnings move, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. It's on its way up again. Here we go. They call this the three tops. Something like that. His looks like a double shoulder. Here we go. Just like that. Head and shoulders. Listen, cryptocurrency market is huge, ladies and gentlemen. This is why it's beneficial to get into this Carat bar. Carat bars is no longer just gold anymore. It's no longer those gold bars. Okay, they also have crypto now. And this is why it's beneficial to get in. Learn about the video. Listen, watch this video here. Okay, you go to RamonEscalera.com. Like I said, if you do so, it'll take you to, let me go back. It'll take you to this page. This is actually CPSG. Learn a little bit about it before you sign up. All right, get in there, watch the videos. Every single program I have here, I have a video in there. And the reason why I show these videos is so you guys can see what I saw. And if you see the potential, then it's something that you got to get in. I've been ripped off a ton of times, and I'm sure you have too. So it's time to stop getting ripped off. And the only way to do that is to actually get into programs that actually pay out. Now, Crypto Big Club, the Ethereum package, you share it, you get paid daily. It's sent to your account, binary, okay? Copy Profit Success Global, once they actually launch after the trial, they pay out weekly, okay? They pay out daily, but you get the money in a week. So this week you made money, you'll get it next week. The next week you made money, you get the week after. You get the idea. That's Copy Profit Success Global. Carrot Coin, you get paid weekly there too, okay? And you get it on a MasterCard. I got the MasterCard here, and it is actually wonderful because as you share with others, they will pay you, okay? And so your money will be in your card. This is my card here, Carrot Mars International MasterCard. It works great. I use it, ladies and gentlemen. And, you know, if you're making money by helping others, reap the rewards. Gold is a value. Gold is it's like the #1 currency known worldwide. You can't go wrong with it. You have your safe deposit box in the bank. You go to your bank, you pay $28 or $36, depending on how big the safe deposit box you want. It's only a year. $26 a year? You can't beat that. Take that money, get the safe deposit box, get the Carrot Coin, get your gold delivered, take that gold, bring it to your safe deposit, and save, 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 save. That's what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen. These are programs that I'm in currently right now, ladies and gentlemen, and these are the ones that I'm promoting. You can get access to every single one of these links if you would like to do so, because I'm going to be making videos in the future, maybe training and training as well, showing you guys what it is, what's needed, what we need to do, how to create autoresponder. Autoresponder you don't need for a copy profit system. It's already automated. But these other programs, Carrot Coin, there is a newsletter that you can sign up with Carrot Coin. I get the newsletter every single day or every other day when he sends email out with either corporate or my upline, either one of those. It's great to get the education because they're pretty much there on the front line when it comes to the company. So this is where you want to get your information because it comes right straight from the source, okay? Now, Crypto Big Club, these are signals. So as soon as a signal is sent out, it's sent out right to your phone. Immediately, you take that signal and you apply it to your daily trading and see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. So, what can I tell you here? #1, not a lot of money coming out of pocket, okay, for these programs. Carrot Coin, you can get, let me go ahead and actually click on the link. I want to show you something. Let's see, 7.85. Let's see if it went down just a tad. That's okay. It'll continue to grow. So, Carrot Coin, here we go. I'm going to click on Let's Get Started. There we go. This is what it's going to look like when you sign up. Pick the affiliate, baby. The affiliate right here. That's your best bet. I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, leave page. Oh, I got to put my password and stuff in. You know what? Usually I get my password set up, but I'm not going to do it live because it's a live YouTube video, so I will do that some other time. But I wanted to kind of show you the back office quickly and show you where the coins are getting, etc. But obviously I can't do it on a live video, but you get the idea. But listen, ladies and gentlemen, the goal is to get into these programs and watch them work for you, ladies and gentlemen. Watch these programs work for you. Get in here, get the education for the Forex takeover. It's a $1 trial. You can't beat that with the bat, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto Big Club, one-time payment. Get in there using Ethereum, and you get paid out on Ethereum. So keep that in mind. Carrot Coin, these are only 2 monthly subscriptions. Will be Coffee Profits. It says Global is a monthly program. You'll be paying monthly in Carrot Coin. When you create a savings account, you get paid. Obviously, it's a monthly savings account. Depending on what level you are, there's a smaller level like $70, $80 or something like that, euro or American US dollars. It's going to be that's the smallest packet. I think it's like I think it's 1 gram of gold. It can be sent to your home. And then there's a 2.5 grams. Then you get the 5 grams, and then you got the 100 grams. So I mean, there's a lot of different levels in Carrot Coin for your savings. You can go in there and buy extra ones if you want to do so, or you can take the ones that you have, or the ones that you want to buy, and ones that are there's some gold that is exchangeable for the cryptocurrency. So you go in there, you actually buy. It's called cash gold. Go in there, you click on cash gold, then you can buy the actual cryptocurrency using the gold that you're purchasing. So if you bought 1 gram of gold, you take that gold and you sell it, you exchange it for crypto right in your back office. You can do that, and you immediately get that crypto value, which is beneficial. Because I'll be honest, I like the gold. Don't get me wrong, but I like the crypto valuation more because it's a possibility that this crypto can skyrocket a lot quicker than gold. Gold is a steady climb, but it's consistent, and gold is like the #1 currency out there. And carat bars, you know, any crypto coin can go to zero. Any crypto coin if there's no support. You get the idea. But the chances of that happening, especially when the coins are all sold out, like I said, to the public, which is, so it means we are the only ones that have access to it now, which is fantastic. So the value of us keeping it and letting it grow with us and inside these exchanges is going to help us earn even more money. There's a lot of benefits to these programs, and there's a reason why I jumped into these programs. There's a reason why I'm making this live video. It's the reason why I think that it's beneficial for a lot of us. And listen, it's not going to be an easy road regardless of which one you take. Or if you take all three. You can take one if you want one, take two if you want two, take three if you got three. It's not going to be an easy road, but the great thing is when you get in and you get started and you start sharing and doing the same exact thing with others, it's going to help you grow income-wise, education-wise. And that's the plan. That is the plan. There's a lot of these companies I put money in. I haven't seen a penny yet, and it's sad, but it's true. It happens, and this is why I'm making this video today. So, RamonAscalera.com will take you to this page. You can get started here. If you don't want to get started on this program, choose a different one. But if you want to become a great trader, education-wise, click on this one. Watch the video. You see what I mean? And then click on I want this right now. Pay the $1. Just remember, it is $145 after the trial. So keep that in mind. I don't want you guys, you know, getting money out of your account. And say, oh, I don't have the $145. If you can't afford it, don't jump in it. I mean, there is a $15. Actually, there is a $15 IBO. If you don't want to pay the $145, you don't have to. There is a $15 one, but that's just an IBO. But you can make money as an IBO, is what they're saying. So with just $15, you can make money into this program. I mean, obviously, you won't get the boot camp fully, full training, which stinks. But you at least, you know, you'll get to make some money into the program. So keep that in mind. And I don't think you get the matrix earnings. I think it's just a referral-based commission. I believe, I'm not 100% certain if you join just the $15. But either way, get in and get started. Whatever road you take, get in, register. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So that's pretty much all I want to share. Let me see if you guys have anything to say. If you do, I will answer it live now. All right, you guys do. All right. About the fourth. All right. BTX2, ladies and gentlemen. BTX2, for those that are asking, it is a scam, ladies and gentlemen. BTX2, we lost our money. These people are not paying us a dime or dollar. So don't enter. Don't buy BTCX2. Stop, please. Okay. Those are not coins I'm interested in. Why do I focus on MLM programs? Because MLM programs are multi-level programs where you can make a ton of money a lot faster. That's why I like them. Listen, I sell retail products, but my retail products are also multi-level marketing. Both of them. You know what I mean? So, but I do sell them just retail. The reality of it is people want to make money with multi-level marketing. People want to make money. They love sharing. Don't you love sharing? You ever been to a restaurant? You like the restaurant? You ever told somebody, hey, that restaurant over there, that steak was delicious? Well, guess what? They went there and ate, and you got nothing for it. I mean, that don't make no sense. I mean, so this is the reason why I like multi-level marketing. But very... I got Litecoin. I mean, I'm sitting on some Litecoin. I got a ton of Litecoin, actually. And a lot of these other coins I don't actually deal with. So there's nothing I can say about that. The earth is flat. Yeah, good luck with that one. Okay. This weekend, make the most of it. Have fun. Love your loved ones, friends, family. That's definitely correct. I'm a trader and a holder, Gerald. I'm both. Big boys, sauce the villains, gang. I agree, Gerald. It's gonna be. I think as soon as the SEC passes the CBOE and CMEs, once they say they can jump in, we're talking about billions, possibly trillions of dollars getting into the market, which is gonna make Bitcoin and all these other coins skyrocket. If that happens, if and when that happens. So. All right, so he's just promoting some of his coins. I mean, listen, everybody has their own opinion on coins. Listen, there's so many out there. I mean, you go to CoinMarketCap, listen, there's 1,634 coins or tokens, whatever you want to call them, right now out there live. So you have to do your due diligence. There are people that will educate you on these coins. Again, I have Ethereum, I have Ripple, I have Litecoin, I got Electronium, I got the Digibyte, I got Verge, I got Vibe, what other coins do I have? I got a Loyal Coin, I got LYL, I got EOS, I had Ordana, I sold Ordana, I'm tired of that Cardano. I had Neo. I sold that. I own Ethereum Classic. I have some of that. I sold it when it was at $18, which was a couple of days ago, and then went down to 16. But I was trading it, so it wasn't something like I'm sitting on it. So I mean, listen, ladies and gentlemen, you have to do your due diligence when it comes to cryptocurrency and what coins you want to invest in and so on. Just make sure you got one. You invest in the ones that. I mean, I'll be honest. I'm not an ICO guy anymore. I'm done with them. I don't think I'm ever gonna join. I'm not saying I'm never going to, but I'm not looking forward to joining any ICOs ever again for a very long time. A lot of these ICOs are just there to take your money and run, and some of these bullshit forks. So I've been had. It's just the way the market is. People they don't have your best interest at heart when it comes to trading, when it comes to coins, forking, or ICOs. They don't have your best interest at heart. They don't care about you. And there are people out there that are devious like that. They don't care if you got $1 left in your bank account and you change and you give it to them. They take it and they'll run. They don't care about you. This is why you have to be careful when you're buying or trading, or not really trading, but buying ICOs or buying anything to do with tokens, ICOs, and launches and all. I'm not saying they're all bullshit. You just got to do your homework. You got to look at the white papers. You got to see who the people that are launching them, where they're located, who's their team. I mean, you really got to get down deep if you really want to see what a real ICO looks like. And the reality of it is this: not a lot of them are great. Your best bet is to get into the top. You know, if you're coming in with some cash and these are already pretty much made crypto coins. These people already established. Is what I want to say. Excuse me. They're already established. A lot of these coins are already established. KBC is ranked 1,100, but it just launched. When a lot of times when a coin launches, it's usually in the back of the page. It's got to work its way in, just like every other coin. You know what I mean? To get to the top, I mean, Bitcoin's #1. There's nobody going to beat that coin right now. Ripple's making some headway with their banking. They just signed that lady. What's her name? Volak Zaya, I forgot her name, but she has to do with, she deals with MasterCard, Visa, and all that. So she's a big wig, and having her on the team now, that's going to make Ripple, I mean, really do some great things. And as you can see, it's starting to take effect. I'm not saying this is going to stay like this right now. It could probably go lower, but you know what? I don't see it standing here that much longer. Ripple's going to be great. Ethereum's always going to have a backing with Ethereum, okay? Because it's just the opposite of Bitcoin. But it's a phenomenal token. I mean, so a lot. Litecoin, I think, is another coin that's going to start making some headway. I think they're teaming up with some other coins. So there's something in the works. I know with Litecoin, I've read it. I read a lot of different articles, and they're on their way up, ladies and gentlemen. Litecoin's not going to stay at this price. I can see Litecoin surpassing EOS and Bitcoin Cash in the near future and taking the top 4. Probably take Bitcoin Cash out of there, and Litecoin will possibly, could possibly get there. I would like for it to get there. I am a Litecoin holder. I don't own Bitcoin Cash. I think the way Bitcoin Cash was brought about, I think it was due to greed, way Bitcoin Cash was made. But a lot of these big guys supported it. They had a team of people, and this is why it's sitting where it's at. But they are making some plans, and they are sharing and doing other things with it. So I'm not going to knock them deeply. I just didn't like the way it was brought out. You know, they were trying to take Bitcoin out, and I hated that. Why would you do something like that when Bitcoin was the one that took us where we are today? You just don't go in there. You don't go in there. It's like there's a king, and the king is doing great, but you're going to try to overthrow the king. Overthrow the king only because you got greedy and you think you're, get the, man, that's the reason why I would say other words, but that's why I don't support Bitcoin Cash at all. The only reason why I owned it, because there was a fork, and I got those coins at that time because of the fork, and I sold them immediately. Do I regret selling them immediately? Yes, because it shot up. Remember that time it shot up to like $2,000 per coin? I think I got them dirt cheap for free because I had Bitcoin at the time and exchanges. So anyway, I think there's a lot of different ways you can earn money with cryptocurrency. What I've done is I took my Bitcoin Cash and I exchanged it for Ethereum at that time. I thought Ethereum was going to go even higher, which it did. Ethereum, I think the highest point was 700. So it's phenomenal the way the, Ethereum is working. Bitcoin's still there, XRPs. A lot of these coins are legitimate coins that you can invest in, possibly in hopes to earn a commission. But you won't, I mean, if you're a long-term holder, you got to wait and sit on these coins. That may never happen, but the goal is for you holding it, it's a possibility that it can happen. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show. The 3 programs I'm promoting right here, ladies and gentlemen. Go to RamonEscalera.com. It's going to forward you to this page here. Again, secure HTTPS. There's a reason why I did that. So when you enter your information, you don't have nothing to worry about. So again, Crypto Big Club, Copy Profit Success Global, and Carrot Bank Coin. These are 3 programs that I'm currently in. You can make money by sharing this one, and this one. All 3 of them, ladies and gentlemen. And there's a tier, and every single one of them you can earn even more money with the helps of your team, etc. So, but if you get in, you get started, you share, and you earn all at the same time. Because there's a possibility that your earning potential from either one of these programs can pay for all of them in a short period of time. And that's why I believe in, ladies and gentlemen. So other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, this live. Let's see if you have anything else to say. Happy trading. No, that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Appreciate you guys. Again, the link is at the very, very top. RamonEscalera.com. Thank you guys. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful weekend. It is Friday. It's 3 o'clock. Have fun. Barbecue, because I'm about to barbecue. The sun is out. It looks real, real nice out there. It was a hot one. I'm not going to lie to you. It was very hot. Didn't want to go outside, but today I will go out there and barbecue a little bit. I like barbecuing. Hopefully I'll make a live video. We'll see. Hey, you know what that means? HODL, H-O-D-L. I just got this from Instagram. They sent it my way. So let me just show you what it says. It says, just HODL it. You know how Nike, just do it. This one just says, just HODL it. I love this shirt. The shirt is fantastic. I'm a supporter of cryptocurrency, and that's the reason why I like to help other people as well. So let's work together. I'm here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going nowhere. Let's work together. You and I, my team, my subscribers, let's work together. Let's get it going. I mean, you got a lot of things to earn. You got a lot of gaining in your future, ladies and gentlemen. You got a lot of education in your future. Let's make it happen together. There's only one way to do it. Click on the link in the description. Take care. Love you guys. Peace out.